Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add voiceover on your Google Drive. So here I'm going to show you how you can add voiceover. Okay, so let's start with the video. First, open the Google Drive, then go to the your new file and open the Google Slide. And I'm already open it, so I'll show you. So first, I have 4 slides here. You can see 1, 2, 3 now. Okay, so I make a duplicate. So okay, I have 4 slides. Okay, so I want to apply or voiceover on this. So here you can see there is no any option to apply the voiceover, but I will show you the simple and easy way to you can add the voiceover on your Google Slide. So first go to the website called onlinevoicerecorder.com, and here simply you can record your voice. Okay, so here you have to click on this voice and you can record your voice as you want, and the right voice will be record. You can see, and you want to stop, just stop it. Now you can save your file to your computer. Okay, so file has been saved here. Now go to the Google Drive, come to the Google Drive, and here you have to upload this voice over file. Just drag it to Google Drive, then it will be upload. After that, go to the Google Slide, let it upload first. Okay, now here you have to select the presentation slide. If you want to apply this voice recording voiceover to all files, you can apply. For that, you have to select first slide, go to the insert and go to the audio. In Google Drive you will see this uploaded audio file, or you can search here from here. Okay, just select and tap on select again, then this icon will become the, you can manage it, you can change the name. When you click on right, go to the format option. After format option, you will see this option. And now if you want to apply this audio to all record, all slides, so then you have to uncheck it. Okay, just uncheck it and loop audio. Okay, don't loop audio, just uncheck it. You can hide your icon. Okay, and you have to make it automatically play. If you want to make it on click play, so somebody on click it will be play, but somebody open the presentation it will be automatically play. You can also manage the volume also of your audio, and you can also make the preview from here, and you can see your audio play or not. Okay, so yeah, so it is done. Now you can download your presentation. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.